This video shows how you can link to another sheet in Google spreadsheet. For example, here is one sheet, that is sheet videos, and over there I have referred to another sheet. You can see using this function import range. Here I have given the sheet ID. So whenever you create a spreadsheet in Google, it is given one unique ID, and in the URL also you can find that. Here you can see. So you need to get that ID of that sheet to which you want to link, and then followed by the range which you want to refer. So if you want to access that particular spreadsheet from other person, then ensure that you have got the permission to access the data from that sheet. Otherwise this method will not work, because you need permissions to access others spreadsheet. And if you have access, then it is very easy, or if that person has given you access, then only you can use this import range method and give here the sheet ID of that, or the key of that particular spreadsheet over there, and then in the second parameter you have to give the cell or the range. And here they have also given the definition and examples as well. Imports a range of cells from the specified spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet identified by this first parameter, that is unique ID for the spreadsheet. URL of the spreadsheet from where the data will be imported, that is the first parameter, and then you have to give the range. That's how you can refer the sheets in Google spreadsheet. Thanks for watching this video.